Hi, everybody. It's Tereese. It is July 11th, and I promised I'd come back and pick a winner for my Back to Crafting giveaway. I want to thank everybody that participated in my giveaway, those that have shared and who did a VR. I so appreciate that. I've met a few people, new people along the way, and that is all I really care about. And I hope I could do more of these giveaways in the future. Um, so let's get started. I'm excited. So I'm using the YouTube comment picker. It's the youtubetool.com. I copied my URL from YouTube, from my um, what do you call it, from my video. So I'm going to pick a winner as we go. I'm not a robot. Okay, there we go. So I had 16 comments, not a lot, but I'm okay with that. Gives everybody more chance. And the winner is Margie's This, That, and Beyond. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. And her comment says, "Hello, I'm a new subscriber. I will share in my community tab on Instagram and I'll do a VR." Thank you, Margie, for doing that. Um, Please send me an email. I'll have my email address down below with your address, and I will mail this out today if you send it to me right away, or I'll mail it out tomorrow. So yeah, I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.